What's up, online shoppers? I just got a brand new box from Real Techniques. This is the brush and blender set. Now, I thought this looked like a really nice set, so let's open it up and take a look at all the different components. Just before we go too much farther, I want to show you all the different parts. Now, it has the RT400 brush for natural smooth blending. It has the RT402. It's good for setting powder, and we have the 2X Miracle Complexion Sponge. Those are really cool. It also has the Expert's Face brush for foundation, and it has the Deluxe Crease, which is great for blending cream or powder shadows, and also for blending in concealer. Now, it comes in this really nice little tray that keeps the brush shapes intact while it ships. That's always a bonus. These are really nice, soft brushes. So this is a really great kit because it gives you everything you need for complete makeup. You can build, bake, sculpt, and set with this 4-brush set, and then you have the 2 really nice blenders here as well. This one here is the blush brush, and I love the angle on it, so you can really apply the brush exactly where you want it, so that you can really apply your powders and your concealers and all those things really well. The touch of the brush on your skin is actually really nice. Now, this one here is the Deluxe Crease brush. So it's got the smaller head, and this is designed for applying eyeshadow. Now, this one here is the setting brush, so that you can use it to make sure you get your setting powder exactly where you need it if you aren't, of course, applying it with a different tool. And here is your Expert Face brush, which is really great for blending just about anything. It's got the most firm composition. These other ones are a lot more soft, but this one is more firm because of the blending that you're going to be doing with this. You also have your 2 beauty blenders right here, 1 and 2. Now, this is the nicest, softest foam. It's got a nice flat edge, and you've got a really great pointed edge. You've got plenty of different ways that you can use these sponges for blending your makeup in. I think this is a really great travel set, or also an introduction to makeup set, because you have your basics right here. You've got your blending sponges, you've got your blush brush, your eyeshadow, your setting, and then your general blending brush. So this is going to give you just about everything you need to get started. It's also really great for travel. You can throw all of these in a small little zip case, and you've got the basics that you need to take with you on the road. Even a great idea to put in your gym bag, because it's a nice compact little set. You don't need all of your big fancy brushes that you would do when you're sitting at home getting ready for that special night out. This is definitely good for the girl on the go. The handles are made of aluminum, and they've got a really great color scheme in here. It's one thing to put makeup on, but it's another thing to put makeup on and look all put together while you're doing it. And I love the color combination of the purple, oranges, peaches, and pinks. It's just really feminine and girly, and visually it's super appealing. If you are looking for a great idea for travel, for a girl on the go, or to get somebody started with a really nice essentials makeup set, this Real Techniques 6-piece everyday essentials makeup brush set is a great place to start. And I can tell, based on this quality and what I see coming out of the box, that this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.